Peace. I am Zavidi Morgan, holistic life coach and business advisor. If you are a company, I want to make sure that you have at least these 8 things ready for your onboarding process. Okay? Now, onboarding is the process of obtaining new hires in your company. And in order to successfully do that and stay in compliance with state and labor laws and what the industry, wants from you, you need to make sure that you have a W-4 form, a I-9 form, employment offer letter, employment contract, an emergency contact information, an employee handbook, organizational chart, payroll, and benefits documentation as well. Now listen, I know that I said a lot. If you are that particular company who does not have these things in place for your new hires, I can assist you with that. I have a special going on right now for $99 that includes all of this information, and I will show you how you can run smoothly through the process of onboarding a new hire for your company. Peace.